Hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the crew, do me a quick favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button. Show your support to the channel. I definitely would appreciate that. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So we're going to be taking a look at the Haylou MoriPods true wireless earbuds. They're low latency, high quality, running Qualcomm aptX audio, adaptive audio. So that's pretty cool. It's also going to have Bluetooth 5.2 low latency game mode on here. We're also going to get 5 hours on a single charge. But with the case, we actually get way more than that. We get about 26 hours with the case as well. They take about 2 hours to charge. We also do get some really good build quality. We get some really good sound quality. It's going to be realistic sound quality. On the package, it says that we do have the Qualcomm 3040 chip. We also do have dual microphones, HD quality. We'll test out the microphones, we'll test out the gaming, we'll test out the Type-C charging, and it does have aptX for sweat. So I'm going to show you the unboxing of these guys, do a quick sound test, run the microphones by you guys and let you guys know if they pass and everything like that. But definitely can say that the packaging is pretty cool so far. You can see right here we do have a black box, and it's actually recyclable, so you can see that it has that recyclable look to it. It does say right here, hey, listen up. That's kind of catchy. And then let's go ahead and peel open this part. Let me just find the part that they want me to peel. I kind of want to rip it right now because I don't know where you can actually, there we go. So all you have to do is just pop that out, and then you could see this is what we're greeted with inside of the box. So, you know, I'm going to cue up some background music. Well, not background music, but like sound. So when I connect the earbuds, you can hear them and how they would sound in a realistic environment. So that's actually, this is what they look like right here. This kind of looks like a charging brick, right? Doesn't this kind of look like a charging brick that you would get out of a box? So that's what I thought it was at first, and then I was like, wait, hold on. So let's go ahead, take out and see what else comes inside of the box. You get your user guide and you get your Type-C cord right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else comes in the package right now. And I'm gonna go ahead, let's see how long the cord is, right? Because a lot of the times these are really short. But if you have like a portable wall brick, like a portable charging brick, you could just stick these onto that. But yeah, this is really short. And then we'll put all that to the side, and you get this manual right here. It says that we do have, let's see all the buttons right here. So we do have a triple tap, which will activate the assistant. A long hold will be for hanging up. Double click, go forward and back, pause, play. Voice assistant. So you don't get volume controls is what it's showing me here, which is, we do get an LED light on these, 2 microphones on each side. So let's go ahead and open up these and see what comes inside the rest of the package. I kind of just want to open this up right now. All right, so now this is like a matte material. It's definitely a matte material, sort of slippery. I'm not gonna lie, this is very slippery. It does have the Haylou logo right on the front of it. So you can see the logo right here. It looks really cool, looks really clean. And then you get your information below. This does really look like a charging brick, right? But it's still cool because you get that nice size. It's really small. Let's go ahead, open these up and see how these look when I take them out. So you can see that's one of them and that's the other one. They have a long stem, right? It kind of extends off to the side of it, and you can hold each one just like this. So I like how they have those nice handles, those handles that you could hold on to. And then each handle has the logo on top of it, right? And then you can see those 2 microphones, the dual microphones. Right, so we're gonna see how loud those get. They also do have tape on them. Let's go ahead, pair this to a smartphone, right? Let's see how loud it gets. Right, we want to test that out. We also want to take the tape off of here so we could put them in the charging box. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So So it has like a plasticky feel to it. Everything is kind of slippery. So let's see. All right, so that fits in there nicely. Kind of open that up and close it. Has a nice click to it. So the case feels, this is a solid case. If it's built really well. It doesn't feel cheap. You can't like open it up by just swinging it open. What about the magnets, right? All right, those aren't coming out. And I also see that they have lights at the top when they're charging. So like there's these little lights at the top, very dim lights. So let's go ahead, turn on our device right here. We're gonna go into Bluetooth, right? Let's go ahead, we're gonna hit pair, and let's just see what we get when we turn that on, right? So let's open the case and let's see if we get like an auto sync or something like that. Okay, so nothing's happening right now, so that means we probably have to take them out. So I just took out the left one and then I just took out the right one. So here it says Haylou MoriPods. Let's go ahead, hit that button. And I like how these have like a really nice handle to hold on to. These stems are pretty long. 84% of battery. Now I have big ears, I'm not gonna lie with you, but I put that in and then automatically I could hear the room start to get a little bit quieter. Let's try this one. So I do have big ears. For people with small ears, these are gonna be perfect because it's gonna scrunch right into your ear. For me, like that opening on my ear is kind of wide. Pause. So you can see right here, just queuing up some music on my phone. We're gonna open up Spotify and we're gonna go and just, you know, play a song or something like that. I have some indie rock right now that I'm listening to. Let's listen into that. It's really realistic sound. All right, I'm gonna play Mace Harlem World real quick because I was listening to that earlier. Wow, that gets really loud. I don't know if you guys can hear that. All up in the headrest, try and live it up. My dude, get a truck, D-Talk, lit it up. Go what? Alright, I'm gonna try to play something with some bass on here. Stunner for Vegas. And then we're gonna connect the microphones to the audio. I'll let you hear how the microphones sound. I'm gonna put it all the way up. Yeah, that gets really loud. Let me see. These are Bluetooth 5.0, so if you're watching video, there shouldn't be any latency on these whatsoever. So let me just go ahead and test out the audio on these. There's a video here from Digital Slang. We're gonna just check that out real quick. And the audio looks like it's matching up with the words perfectly. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, the lips do match up with the words perfectly. And you should be able to game on these as well because they have that low latency with the Bluetooth 5.2. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna go open up the camera on here, and I'm actually going to connect the speakers, right, I'm gonna connect the camera, and since this is Bluetooth, you're gonna hear the audio quality right now. So let me flip the camera in my face, like just like that. And now I'm gonna hit the music, the background music, and let me see if that's on my speaker right now. Okay, yeah, that's on my speaker. Let's turn that all the way up though. And hit record. Okay, so this is what it would sound like if I was outside right now. I have the the sound on my computer is all the way up. So that's how it would sound if I was outside right now. And this is what it would sound like with the regular one right here. And this is what it would sound like with the Haylou MoriPods microphone. So let me know which one sounds better. Let me make sure I'm not covering up the side where the microphones are. So these are coming directly from the Bluetooth earbuds, as you can see right here. Okay, cool. Let me stop that. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think about the mic so far, but definitely like the audio on here as far as just listening to songs and stuff like that. They get really loud and it gets really clear. It feels real, sounds like it's realistic. It doesn't sound cheap, and you get a really rich. Let me listen to some more music right now. There's some heavy bass presence as well. There's some heavy bass presence on this track. And we got it turned up all the way up right now. Yeah. These get really loud. I could barely hear myself when I'm talking right now, but I definitely would say that these are awesome for like working out. You could sweat in these aptX. You get about 5 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.2. So when you're listening to music, you definitely get a rich sound. The bass creeps in on tracks like rap or hip hop. You could hear the bass creep in the background, and when the volume is all the way up, you still get really good highs, and the bass doesn't overwhelm the track. It kind of seeps in, and very clear vocals, very clear instruments, as well as all around sound quality. For the price of $40, I think I definitely recommend the MoriPods from Haylou. So, and you could also game with these. I could definitely say you could game with these. But thank you guys for checking out the video. I'm gonna get right back with you real quick. Show up in the comment section, answer any one of your questions, and I'm definitely gonna leave a link down below for the MoriPods, and just in case you were looking for some really good cheap gaming earphones as well. And these are pretty new and affordable as well. But thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button before you get out of here, and I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.